Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to design a Shopify store like a pro. So as you can see, this is what it looks like if you are just using the current theme of Shopify. If you want to design your Shopify and you are just a beginner, then you can just go to themes and then you can look for any themes right here that you can choose that you can use for your Shopify store. However, I'm going to show you another platform right here or application that can help you design your Shopify store like a pro, especially if you're a beginner. Just go to App Store and then look for Pagefly Builder. Okay, this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do next is tap on install, wait for a couple of seconds, and then click install again. Wait again for a couple of seconds, and then you should see this. So you need to connect your Shopify to your Pagefly Builder. So you can select here, is it for your home, product, and so on. So wait for a couple of seconds again, and then here, what you're going to do is you can now start creating template. Once you tap this create template, it will show you samples of Pagefly templates. And all you need to do is to select one that is, of course, related to your store. So you can just scroll down here. Let's just see if you are selling beauty products or clothing. There are tons of templates that you can choose. And the good thing about this platform or this application, even if you're a beginner, there is no hassle. It's very easy. All you need to do is to edit here. For example, if you want to edit this and then change this from New Year, New You, change this to the name of your store or something like Hello Shoppers, something like that, and you will see the result right away. Same thing with other elements and features right here. You can even change the picture by just clicking or tapping it and then upload the picture from your computer. Let's just say if it's your product, you just have to change this with your product's image. And that's it. So you can just basically change and then drag. It's easy to use. If you scroll down here, there are tons of pages and section. So you can also change the details and change the images. So even if you're a beginner, you can create a page here on Shopify like a pro using Pagefly. There are other applications, but I strongly suggest to try Pagefly because it's easy to use. If you want to see the result or if you want to preview, let's just say if you have adjusted everything here and added your products, pictures, and images and changed the details according to your store's information, then you can tap on preview and this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.